toe.
Honey?
Get toe.
Do I... What's the matter?
Get toe.
You get stuck?
Get toe.
I don't have a toe. Well, I have 10 of them. We need chains on that friggin' thing.
You gotta reverse.
Yeah, well...
Take the gear.
Ready? I can push. Okay, well, I have to put my camera down, I guess. Oh, you got it? Honey, what happened?
I don't know. I got stuck.
You got stuck.
You told me to go down there.